Just 14 years back, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina declared her vision to build digital Bangladesh by 2021, based on four pillars: human resource development, connectivity for all, digital government, and ICT industry promotion. These are the four pillars what Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina wanted to develop. And she took a very unique approach that was bottom-up approach. So she wanted to digitize our villages, and she wanted to make internet available and affordable to all of our citizens. From only 50 million internet users 14 years back, now we have 130 million internet users. And after introducing ICT as a mandatory subject from secondary school level, and we have set up 13,000 computer labs and also School of Future program, and we are developing our school-going boys and girls as a programmer. And the result, what we have actually achieved, that 650,000 IT freelancers, they're working from different small towns, and they are outsourcing and earning handsome amount of money from Europe, Australia, and American companies. And we have a very vibrant e-commerce ecosystem in Bangladesh, our logistics and the payment and everything developed in last 1 decade. So altogether, including e-commerce, IT freelancers, software, hardware, we have been able to provide 2 million jobs in ICT sector. And also we have digitized all of our government services. Our measurement stick is how we could reduce time, visit, and cost by using technology. So by this way, we have digitized 2,000 digital services and also introduced so many business-friendly policies to accommodate our private sector and also accommodate our startups. We have currently 2,500 startups, and each and every universities are having research innovation center and also university incubation center. So with all of this, we have achieved digital Bangladesh. Our per capita income has risen from $500 to $2,800. Our total GDP size is now $468 billion. And after achieving digital Bangladesh vision, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina declared her new vision to make smart Bangladesh by 2041. We have identified four more pillars like smart citizen, smart economy, smart government, and smart society. We want to actually develop our intelligent, efficient future generations, and also we would like to provide, I would say, sustainable and cost-effective services to all. So with this, we are also developing high-tech parks, software technology parks to attract foreign investment and foreign companies to come and open their offices. So far, we have actually raised $800 million in our startups, and it is growing. So we have an immediate target to achieve 5 billion ICT export from our IT and ITS industries, and we would like to have 5 unicorns in our country from our young entrepreneurs. So with this, I would like to stop here. Maybe I would love to share more of our plans.
When you identify the potential unicorns, can you tell me ahead of time? Because we'd like to invest.
Yeah, sure. I would love to share some of the areas. Like we have one unicorn already who is fintech startup, Bikash, one of our champions in the field of fintech area. They are mobile financial wallet. And recently, Honorable ICT Advisor, who is the main architect of Digital Bangladesh, he introduced interoperable digital transaction platform, which has actually given to all of our fintech startups to do more work. And we hopefully, we will have one startup from e-commerce, another from software, another from logistics, and also health startup. They have a huge potential to become unicorn.
Thank you, Your Excellency.